The power of supply and demand. Supply. Supply is the total amount of goods and services that producers offer or want to sell in the market at a certain price and at a certain time. Type of supplies. First, individual supply is the number of products offered by a single producer. Second, market supply is the supply of a product from a seller or producer in a market. Factors that affect supply: first, the price of the goods themselves. Second, price of other related goods. 3. Price of factor of production. 4. Cost of production. 5. Production technology. 6. Number of trades or sellers. 7. Company objective. 8. Government policy. Supply curve. First, law of supply. The higher the price, the more goods will be offered. Second, this curve will move from the bottom left to the top right. Demand. Demand is defined as a person's desire for a good or service at various price levels with a certain period of time. Types of demand. 1. According to purchasing power. Absolute demand is demand that is supported by purchasing power. Potential demand is demand that is supported by purchasing power but has not yet carried out the purchase. Effective demand is demand from consumers or buyers that is supported by purchasing power. 2. According to the person. Individual demand is an individual's demand for a type of good or service. Market demand is the demand for a good or service from a group of people at a certain time, a certain price, and a certain situation. Factors that affect demand: price of the good itself, price of other goods, consumer income or income, consumer behavior or consumer tastes, total population, availability and price of similar goods, future price forecast, amount, demand curve. First, law of demand. If the price increases, the amount of output demand will decrease or vice versa. Second, the curve will move from the top left to the bottom right. Elasticity of supply. Supply elasticity formula. Types of supply elasticity. First, perfectly elastic. Perfect elasticity is elasticity that is zero, meaning that whatever the price, the amount of product offered remains the same. Second, perfectly elastic. Perfect elastic is a description that sellers are only willing to sell a product at a certain price and will not sell this product at other price. 3. Unitary elasticity. Unitary elasticity is the elasticity of supply where the percentage of the number of products offered is equal to the percentage change in product price. 4. Elastic. Elastic supply can be said to be elastic if the percentage change in the number of products offered is more than the percentage change in product price. 5. Inelastic. Elastic supply can be said to be inelastic if the percentage change in the number of products offered is less than the percentage change in product price. Elasticity of demand. Formula. Type of elasticity of demand. First, unitary elastic. The percentage change in quantity demand is equal to the percentage change in price. Second, inelastic. The percentage change in quantity demand is less than the percentage change in price. 3. Elastic. The percentage change in quantity demand is more than the percentage change in price. 4. Perfectly elastic, where at a constant price the market is able to buy out the goods in the market. However, a slight increase in price will drop the demand to zero. 5. Perfectly inelastic. Price changes do not affect the amount demand.